Hi, I'm Bob Ansher. I'm senior editor with CE Pro Magazine, and today I am speaking with Michael Gleason from Skyworth. Michael, how you doing today?
I'm doing awesome, Robert. How about you?
I am doing fantastic as well. Today we're going to talk about a fun topic, and that is TVs and high performance TVs. I would like to get the ball rolling and ask you specifically about the Skyworth product lineup.
Yeah, so about 2 years ago, we kind of redesigned the company to be more on the higher end part of the product. We picked specialty products, so we started with outdoor TV, full sun and partial sun, and then we went with a portable TV. But we're trying to pick categories that are unique and different than just a regular TB lineup, one that we can gain share, and that we're adding some value add to the CEDIA guy out there. We don't sell retail, we're 100% CI. And then last year we introduced our art TV lineup with two models and sizes, and this year we're going to expand on that in a really big way.
Okay, you've kind of given me the perfect segue to ask about the Canvas Elite series of products.
Yeah, so Canvas, so we came out with this 55 and 65. We launched it at CEDIA last year, and the one thing we heard most from everyone there was our TV's great. It's really picking up. It's really changing the business model for TV in the home, but we hate the picture quality. Can you make something with good picture quality? So we saw an opportunity there. So our Canvas Elite line starts at 86 and 100 inch, and it's better picture quality. So I'll get into exactly what that means. So these are mini LED TVs, which are high brightness TVs. Our regular lineup is QLED, so it offers high brightness, and to counterbalance the high brightness, we have full array local dimming with over 1,000 zones of local dimming. So what the benefit to the consumer is that you get incredible black level in all areas of the TV, from the top right corner to the bottom left corner, and that adds gradation of contrast. So if you're looking at a really dark scene, you see the levels of the dark you're supposed to see, and it's not all blurred out. The huge benefit is it's more contrast, more levels of detail, better color saturation. So in the end, a much better picture quality than the regular canvas line we have. And then for art, you're adding a lot more detail in the art because you have a bigger, higher contrast ratio.
Okay, to kind of elaborate a little bit, and this is another, you gave me another perfect segue. Can you talk about how the new Canvas Elite products improve on the performance of the original series of products?
Yeah, so the original series, we started with 55 and 65. At CD, we'll have a 75 that's in the regular series. That's a QLED product, decent picture quality. But these two products really take it to the next level. We have a new matte screen that takes in more light and has no anti-reflection at all. And with the new picture quality in the black level, you think of contrast ratio. Our dealers know a lot about audio. So if you look at dynamic range in audio, it's the same thing with video, but it's called contrast ratio. Your whitest white to your black is black. And in between, if you have an incredible white level, an incredible black level, it increases your white level here and your black level here. And that gives you incredible detail in the picture. The picture is really black. There's no gradation, no much in the black level in real dark scenes, so it looks unbelievable, and then the colors get better and the picture quality overall. And those and in this product line, we started with 86 and 100 inch because we believe that those two sizes will be in the home theater area. And if they're in the main theater area, it's got to be a great picture because they'll use this for TVs as much as they'll use it for art.
Okay, I want to pick at something that you had alluded to briefly in one of your previous answers, and I want you to, if you could, expand upon this. Why are art TVs so important in today's modern smart home industry?
Yeah, so in the old days where I'm from, I used to run jiu-jitsu. People would put TVs in every room. The kids' room, there'd be TVs in the great room. There'd be TVs in the theater in the bedroom. That's less and less these days because people are on their phones. Kids don't really have TVs in their room because they're on their phones. So the TV market shrunk. The art TV brings out this aesthetic piece that has never really hit TVs before. Manufacturers have tried for years to make the TVs look prettier, but they've never really hit where the wife acceptance factor or the WAF factor comes into play. These art TVs bring in this new thing where people will put TVs now in hallways that have nothing to do with the video on it, but only art, and all the art you can put on it, family photos included. They'll put them in the kitchen. You'll see a 43-inch or a 55-inch TV in the kitchen that'll put art when not in use. And so there's lots more art there, and they're putting multiple TVs of art. And the art's more important than the video on it. But in home theater, the video is still important. People want to watch movies and want to watch sports, and the picture quality is really important. So for art, you need that high level of picture quality, and we're really happy to be part of this transformation in how end users buy TVs now.
Okay, let's take our discussion outdoors. What can you tell me about the Clarus outdoor line of products?
So we make two categories of product: full sun and partial sun. Our full sun is where I'll spend most of our time on. Our full sun's an over-engineered product. It, it's IP66. It's 3,000 nits brightness. It's IK10 tempered glass with a 2-year warranty. All four of those features are the best in class. No one has better features than us. If we were doing a live demo, you would see me take my fist and punch the TV, and I'd break my hand, but not the TV. So it's great for outdoors on a golf course, great for by the pool when kids are playing around. It really works, even in a partial sun environment, it works really, really well. And those prices are 7 grand and 5 grand for a 65 and 75 inch. We also have partial sun in 75, 65, and 55. Three different features on those is it's IP55. It's not as bright because you're going to be partially covered, so it's 1200 nits brightness, and it's got a matte screen, so it absorbs light to help with reflection issues. And as I said, that's a 75, 65, and 55-inch size on those.
Okay, my final question is, um, how does Skyworth support dealers in the field, both from a sales perspective and technical perspective, with helping them to sell and install the product line?
So from a sales perspective, I think, one of the things I've learned in my life, I've been in this business for close to 40 years, is that I call it kind of the sales pyramid, and it all starts with picture quality matters, and it matters. It's the most important thing about a product, picture quality or sound quality. And the second thing is profit. Can these guys make money? And I'm happy to say we are the most profitable piece on the market. Nobody has the profit margins we do for dealers and wholesale across the country. Um, And the second thing is service is so important with products like this. And I'm really proud of what we do on the service side. So we do in-home service on all our products. We have thousands of service centers around the country. I I get on my soapbox a little. I think our dealers need to treat service as like a sub, like an electrician, and have them in their back pocket, not only for our product but for all products. So then when they have a problem, it's an easy, quick call to someone that trusts them and will help them out. And our service, we send a part kit with 5 different PC boards on it. Our panels are really easy to service, and hopefully our service is a really quick time to get it turned around from the first time it's reported to the time it's fixed and ready to go. We also have a dealer portal with our drivers for control, which is another important feature of our product, and that has everything you would need to install our product and help sell the product as well.
Thank you, Michael. It sounds like a vast and compelling product line that dealers definitely need to look at when they're at the CDR Expo this coming September in Denver.
Yeah, we have a bigger booth this year. We're going to be really focused on our new canvas product coming out, but we'll have our outdoor TV there. So I hope to see everyone at CD this year. It should be a great show.
Awesome. Thank you. And to learn more about Skyworth, please go to cepro.com.